Alright guys, this is the only time I can live stream, so for today, I'm gonna live stream for a bit today, and then, I'm gonna live stream a little bit today, and then I have to go back to doing homework. So yeah, this is the only time I can live stream today, but we are almost done with, we only have like 6 more problems left. But yeah, sorry guys if I couldn't live stream yesterday. It is what it is. I have so much schoolwork, but yeah. Let's see. We're almost done with, we have to do this template specialization, I think. You're given a main function enum that prints out the corresponding enum types. Write a class template that can provide the names of the enums for the types. The enum is not valid and print unknown. Okay. We were on this. Oh, this is what I tried the other time. I believe stroke traits fruit. What was the problem? Okay, we might need to copy this again. Hold up. So we have color and then fruit. So we gotta do a struct traits of fruit, color. Do we need this? Oh, we need a comma after the struct. Yeah, semicolon. I think that's it. And then what did they say? What does this say? Okay, so it's a fruit, apple, orange, and pear. Okay, if it's color, unknown, then we just print red, green, and orange. Okay, so we return red, green, orange, that's color. Fruit should return apple, orange, pear. Apple, then orange, then pear. Then color should return red, green, and then orange, yeah. I believe that's right. Yeah, that's right, okay. Yay, okay. So yeah, we had like template, then struct, traits, fruit. Like basically just copied this from somewhere online. Not somewhere online, they said this is how you would do it if you had a enumeration for templates. You would have to put the name of the template, colon, then the name of the method, the function method name. But yeah, in the index. Okay, we're done with this. No, that's not what we're doing. Unsolved. Okay, so after this, we're done with all the mediums. Then we could just finish the hards. Italian numbers for competitive programming. I haven't even heard of this. This is like Pascal's triangle? 1, 2, 6, 27, 1, 2, 25. Maybe it's worth it to know this. Haven't heard of about this yet. Catalan number. Yeah, I haven't heard of it. Maybe it's useful. I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna finish up this C++ medium, and then we just need to do the hards. So after this, we're gonna be done with mediums. Okay, define the struct workshops and available workshops. So let's do that. Structs workshops, and then struct available workshops. Okay. All right, workshops, available workshops. What am I supposed to do? Start time, duration, end time. Okay, so we have start time, duration, and end time. So we're gonna have start time. Start time, duration time, and then end time. Should this be, yeah, I'll just put all integers. Yeah, they're all integers. Struct available should have the following members: integer n, number of workshops, and then array type having size n. Okay. All right, we'll do that. Array. Let's use. Man, they actually want to use an actual array. Okay. Let's do R. Okay. Available workshops creates an available workshop object, initializes elements using start time, duration, and time. Okay. Start time, duration. Okay. Do we have end time? Okay. Calculate workshops returns the maximum number of workshops the student can attend without overlap. The next workshop cannot be attended until the previous workshop ends. Doesn't seem that bad. Available workshops. Implement two methods. Okay. Okay, there should be a way where you just initialize it like this. Fuck. Fast initialization. Constructor. C++. Be like this. This time is workshops. Let's do S, D, and then end. S, D, E. Okay, and then this is going to be start time. Start time, S. Duration is going to be, this is duration. This is going to be D, and the last one is going to be E. And this is going to be an E. Okay, that's initialization list. Okay, what else? Initialize duration and N. What else do we need to do? N, number of workshop you sign up for, array having or size N. Okay, sure. Let's see. I'm gonna take a little time to think. Take a little time to think. I'll think about it. I'm gonna keep thinking about it. I'm not sure. Okay. Available workshops object. Initial, so they want us to create an initialize method. What does it pass? Start time. In start time. In start time. Duration end time. Wait. Okay, start time and duration. Okay. What's it supposed to do? Available workshops. Should return a pointer to an available workshops object. Okay. Pointer to an available workshops object. So we're gonna do like that. And then we do available workshops to return, then return to return. What's the problem? Initialize, isn't it called initialize? Initialize. Oh, we need an N. This is public. Why is this underlined? Initialize was not declared in scope. But it's in the struct workshops. Oh my god, okay. Declare method in struct. Yeah, it's inside the struct. Yeah, it's default by it's public by default. Void F. Can't we use VS Code? Yeah, you probably can, but I'm using this though. I don't know why this is like causing an issue. Undeclared bar. It's over here though. Oh. What method is this in? Oh, okay, I get it. That's so strange. Okay, that's super weird. Okay, it has to be outside. Okay. Okay, we'll implement that soon. Calculate workshops. Why aren't these in a class though? That's what's really confusing me. Okay. Yeah, that's what's really confusing me. I don't understand. Like I don't workshops pointer. Workshops pointer. We could use this. Okay. Okay, it's working. Okay, so now there's no compilers. But it should still fail though, because we didn't implement anything. What's the problem? No return in function. Yeah, but this is correct though. Oh, right here. Just return -1. Yeah. Okay. So at least it's failing. It's good that it's failing, because now we could fix it. Um. Let's write the initialize method. Let's write the initialize method. How long have we been live streaming? Oh, we live streamed 17 minutes. Wow, that's really long. I don't know. Well, we'll try to figure this out. Let's see. Struct available workshops. Using the elements in start and time. Start duration for the ith workshop. Struct available workshop having the following members. We have n. Size of n. Where do you see this? Having the following members, we have an array of type workshop array having size n. The number of workshops the students signed up for. Array workshop array of size n. What does that mean? Oh, an array of type workshop array. Okay, so this should be workshop. Okay. And is it initializing the workshops? You have start, duration, what's E though? E is the end time. Is the number of workshops. How are you going to initialize this though? Grant available workshops object initialize its elements using the array start time duration I. Here start at I duration I are the respective start time and duration for the ith workshop. This function must return a pointer to an available workshop object. I don't know. Available workshop object. I don't know. Hello, Narula. Hello. Yeah, it's pretty late for you guys. For me, it's afternoon. But yeah, we still need to figure this out. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, hold up. We should do this. Oh, I can't just initialize the R. I would have to do like R is equal to workshops at n or something. How to initialize an array. How to initialize an array. I just want to initialize it with 5. Yeah, so just like that. Can I do this? Workshops does not refer to a value. That's the type though. Oh. This R is equal to Rn? No. I have no idea. How do you initialize an array? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. See, this is what I was thinking of doing. I guess we could create a local variable and set that equal to that. Like workshops. Current equal that. Why can't I do this? Implicit requires 1 but 0 were not there. I don't understand. I don't understand. Hi. I don't understand. Hold up. Take a little break. I don't understand. Okay. Maybe we don't need this. Maybe that's what this initialization is for. Let's see, start is going to be start time at I, duration, dir is going to be duration at I. Wait, what do we do with start and dir though? Pass it in here? But what about the end time? It's not working. Why isn't this working? To available, initialize a start point. Okay. An array of type workshop array having size n. No two workshops overlap. No two workshops overlap. Calculate maximum workshop available. Do we just do like two return dot r at I is equal to integer? Maybe this should be a pointer. R is equal to new workshops. Where would you put it here though? What would your constructor be? Should it be a pointer to a pointer? I don't know what they're asking for. Start time, duration, end time. Fuck it. We're not using an array, we're using a vector. This is just so stupid. R is going to equal to vector workshops at n. Available workshops dot vector. Why can't I do this? Oh, to return. Why can't I do this? To return, yeah, okay, so now we initialize the vector of n values. But now we need to set each of them to have the start and duration. So let's just loop through here for int I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Oh no, here. Okay, here this should be on the outside. Then here we're gonna set to return r at I is gonna equal to workshops. I'm gonna pass into the constructor start duration. What's E? End time, I don't know, start plus duration. Yeah. this should work. Construct workshops. Why can't I do this? X3 argument 0 provided. How? Okay, you know what? Maybe this invokes the initial constructor. Expects 3 arguments 0 provided. I'm pretty sure this is 3 arguments though. Maybe, yeah, I think this invokes the constructor. Okay, so I guess we're not going to use this. Can we just do r.pushback? Okay, so it is compiling. Okay, that's better than nothing. Okay, now we just need to find the available workshops. So for that, we just loop through and then we just three, one. I don't know. I have no idea. I think maximum numbers without overlap. Is that just the smallest? Do you just sort it by start time and then just whichever just get the I don't know. This is hard. Alright, I'm gonna look this up because I actually don't know. I don't understand. Okay, yeah, so yeah, use a vector. Yeah, sort it by start time and then if the start time is greater than or equal to your finishing time, then increase it by 1. And then set your finishing time to 0. Okay, yeah. Yes. What about your duration, though? Shouldn't there be an end time? They didn't even have an end time. Okay. We need to sort this by start time. So we need like a compare to in workshops. Not compare to operator less than. How to operate overload. Okay, operator plus const. We need a const workshop to be, I don't know. Return start time is less than this dot start time is less than b dot start time. Yeah. Okay, so now once we have this, we're just going to sort by start time and then do that whole algorithm thing. So now we have num overlap is going to equal to 0. We're going to loop through from fucking hell. I think I made it public. Okay, so let's do current workshop is going to equal to peter dot cur r. Yeah. Then we're going to loop through cur dot size. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do that whole thing with the algo. Here we're going to sort by sort cur. And it should use a less than function. Okay, sort by starting time. I think it was maximum overlapping interval or something. Max number of workshops, no, without overlap. Max, no, without overlap. So with the vector traverse, if x is encounter means there's a new range added. We have to check if it's less than the last finishing one, I believe. Why can't I scroll down? Let's just code it up. Sorted, so now it's sorting by start time. We're going to loop through it. If the current start time duration, end time, the current end time is less than the start time. Yeah, if the current end time is greater than or equal to cur I dot start. Why can't I do this? Start time. Then we're gonna do num overlap plus plus. return overlap. Holy shit, okay. Oh my god. I was a C++ developer, and then right now I'm a student. Right now, I'm in grad school. Narula Nor. All right, here we're gonna put this here. Over here. Oh, okay. We need to keep track of the finishing time. If you sort it by start time, if the finishing time is greater than this next start time, we need to update the finishing time. Calculate workshops. Oh my god. What was... I think you have to keep track of the finishing time. Yeah, if start time is greater than the finishing time, then number overlap plus plus, and then we're going to set finishing is going to equal to current I dot finishing time. The current finishing time. This should work. Okay, something's still failing. What is it printing? It's seg faulting. That's super weird. Why is it seg faulting? Push back. Oh, I can't do this. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? We could do this. It's gonna take it in a workshop. K or something. I don't know. And we're just gonna push back. Yeah. Okay. Then here, what we're gonna do is this is just gonna add current workshop to the current vector thing. So then here, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do available workshop to return dot add. So here, let's create a current workshop. It's just going to be like start dir start plus dir. Then here we're going to add cur. Why can't I do this? Oh, it's a pointer. Okay, now it should work. Because I don't want to deal with pointers and pointers. Should not segfault at least. Why is it segfaulting? Why is it segfaulting? Start time, duration at I. Alright, let's print something here. P. If P is not printing, then something's wrong. Okay, so P is printing. So the problem is in here. It's adding current. Why can't I just push back? It's just a vector. Oh, wait. Didn't you create like a constructor? Still segfaulting. Interesting. Let's see. Does it go into the add? So it does go into add. So it's segfaults here. What does K print out? Oh, I can't do K because it's an object. Why can't I create a workshop? Does it segfault here though? Here. Yo, it's a boy. I have arrived to watch you. Hello. I'm not really doing competitive programming right now. Okay, wait, hold up. P here, add. So it goes to P, then it creates it here, add. Add. Why can't I push back K to R? It should not segfault. Alright, let's use a class. Can I use a class? Well, it's still segfault. Okay, I don't know why it's segfaulting. I literally don't know why. You push back workshops. Push back workshops. Why can't I do? Oh. Oh. Is this why? Was that the issue? No. Can't. Let's see. Segfault when add to array and struct. Segfault when adding to array to struct. All right. What? Let's see. What is the problem? Why am I segfaulting? You never realize. Dot name for reading. Okay, well, I mean, it's not really dot rate. I'm segfaulting when adding to struct vector. I have not used malloc. Maybe it's this. Oh, maybe it's ampersand. Maybe I have to push back the actual K. Shouldn't segfault though. Segfault is a weird thing. Why is it segfaulting? What is going on now? I am trying to add a. I'm trying to add a method into. I'm pushing a struct into a. Okay, in my struct I have a vector. I am pushing an object of a struct into that vector and it's segfaulting. Okay, inside of struct, let's how about use a class? Structs are basically classes though, so. Still segfaulting. Can you not use pushback? Why can't I use pushback? Do they have to be pointers to workshops? That would be really annoying. But we could try that. Okay, we're not using this. We don't need to do this. Ah, shit. Oh my god. I don't know why it's segfaulting. Why is it segfaulting? I have no idea. Alright, hold up. Let me search this up. I gotta go soon, actually. It is segfaulting. For some reason. Okay, I had this. Okay. I had this though. Okay, let's see. What are they doing? Initialize, you create new workshops. Okay. A 2D, a pointer to, what the hell is he doing? Okay, this is literally what was bleh. This was literally what I was doing. I was literally doing this. besides this part, I don't know what he's doing here. Pointer to all available workshops, passing in new available workshops. Oh, I just had the 2 return. Do I need a malloc? Maybe that's the issue. Oh, I didn't initialize this. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, whatever. So I'll just use this braces and then use new available workshops. Alright, no more segfault now. Hell yeah, no more segfault. Okay, so now we're gonna get rid of this. Get rid of this. What is it printing? Printing 2, is that right? Okay, some of them is passing, some of them are failing. Should print 4. Let's see, calculate max workshops. Am I doing that right? Sort it, yeah. How are they sorting it by? They're sorting by end time. Why not start time? Okay, I don't know what he's doing. End time is end time while it's not overlapped. While it's overlapped, we're gonna pop if the start time is greater than the end time. Total plus plus. Do you sort by end time or start time? Maximum non-overlap interval. Sort by end time. Huh. Okay. I didn't know that. Okay, fine. We'll sort by end time then. End time. Sort by end time. If the start time is greater than the finishing time, we'll increase it. Otherwise, we set our finishing. Then we set finishing time equal to this finishing time. Okay, so if the start time is greater than the finishing time, increase the finishing time. Okay. Okay, this should work now. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. So the finishing time we're sorting by finishing time. Non-overlapping. I think it's maximum non-overlapping workshop. In interval, I think non. Find the maximum disjoint interval set. Sort by finishing time for 3. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. That makes sense. Finishing time makes sense. Okay. Traverse through the, if you get 2 overlapping, then we greedily choose the interval with stop. Lower endpoint, choosing it will ensure the intervals would accumulate without any overlap. Okay. Okay, so sort by finishing time. Okay. All right, I think that's enough for today. That's all the, I think that's all the mediums. So we're gonna go to C++ difficulty of hards now, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. I am currently. Sometimes the other person's are encouraged simple but further questions are new. How can I study these concepts? You're just gonna have to practice, I guess. At any time there's like a new algorithm, just search it. Maybe I'll have a video explaining how to like study better for like algorithms. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.